Ready? Start. Before putting forward a measure of this nature before Parliament, we had given considerable thought to certain aspects of cloth prices as they exist today, and it is only because we felt that this is the only means now open to us which can to some extent act as a deterrent against high prices, and where it fails to do so would be able to absorb the margins of profit that go to the trade and industry that we sought to bring in this measure for the approval of Parliament. Full stop. Sir, the factual position which has been described in the note might be summarized thus. Full stop. The existing capacity of these mills is being utilized to the maximum possible extent. Full stop. In fact, sir, in July, the production of textiles has been an all-time record of 500 million meters. Honorable members might say, well, if that is possible, why do you fear that there is going to be scarcity of cloth? Question mark sign. In fact, I think it is the possible scarcity and the high prices that have induced these people to stretch a point and make the mills produce a little more, though certain factors helping to increase production have been accidental, namely in July the working days have been the largest in number. Full stop. New para. The other fact is, sir, that we are not in a position within any measurable distance of time to increase the capacity of the mills, both in regard to its loomage, that is weaving, and in regard to its spindleage, that is spinning, because the loomage in the mills is frozen. Full stop. We are not adding to the looms except for the recent decision that we have taken that we should add to the mills by way of automatic looms intended specifically for promotion of export of cloth and, so far as spindleage is concerned, that has been restricted to an increase over a period of 2 years to about 2 million spindleage, the license for bulk of which has already been granted, and this decision had been taken on the basis of an estimate of consumption of 18 meters per capita during the 5-year plan, and towards the end of it, when that decision was taken, sir, government were not unconscious of the fact that for target would not be correct one, and in an expansionist economy, that target, full stop,